Hi, welcome to my channel, Psyche for Lovers. This is Pastor Moses. And I was told that I needed to do the Major Arcanas again by a family member because the cards that I normally use are too small for you to see the words of each card. So I'm using the normal size cards of the Rider Waite. All right, let's begin. The first card we have is the Fool. Fool means foolish and immature. Next, we have the Magician. Magician is skilled and crafty. Next, we have the High Priestess. High Priestess is secretive and intuitive. Next, we have the Empress. The Empress is mother and nurturing. Next, we have the Emperor. The Emperor is father and control. Next, we have the Hierophant. The Hierophant is spiritual and traditional. Next, we have the Lovers. The Lovers is a lover or sexual. Next, we have the Chariot. The Chariot is conflict or duality. Next, we have the Strength. The Strength is strong and self-confident. Next, we have the Hermit. The Hermit is alone, pull away. Next, we have the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is luck, great opportunity. Next, we have Justice. Justice is fair, like a fair outcome or legality. Next, we have the Hangman. The Hangman is standing still in limbo. Next, we have the Death. The Death is something is over or done, like a transition. Next, we have the Temperance. The Temperance is patient and compromise. Next, we have the Devil. The Devil is pessimistic, control issues. Next, we have the Tower. The Tower is destruction, collapse. Next, we have the Star. The Star is happiness, optimistic. Next, we have the Moon. The Moon is confusion, deception. Next, we have the Sun. The Sun is success, contentment. Next, we have Judgment. Judgment is judging, evaluation. Next, we have the World, which is the last card. And the World is fulfillment and completion. Please like, subscribe, and comment for upcoming videos. Thank you.